Midea washing machine MT100W70.
Wow!
Washing machine 7 kilograms.
Wow!
The higher back control panel design is best for viewing angle for better experience, ergonomic design. Wash inlet selector, the switch can control water inlet direction. Switch to left to wash and right to rinse, and no need to move or transfer water inlet hose from wash pipe to spin pipe. The wash tub cover is removable and the hook's design is kit for hanging the cover to free your hands.
Wow! Oh!
Magic lint filter can filter and tiny particles away from the water to avoid sticking onto the other clothes. The independent big and small pulsators will generate different water flows in varying directions and levels to simulate hand-washing laundry performance. Body is made of polypropylene plastic, which is more chemical resistant, scratch and impact resistant.